Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to take a full walkthrough of how to build AI agents using Vertex AI Agent Builder. You do not need advanced coding skills to follow along, and everything will be explained in plain and simple language. Vertex AI Agent Builder is part of Google Cloud, and it allows you to create smart AI agents that can talk to users, answer questions, and work with your data. These agents can be used on websites, inside apps, or for internal business tools. You can build chat agents, support agents, and general assistants without writing complex code. Most of the work is done through a visual interface where you configure settings and instructions. Before getting started, you need a Google Cloud account. You also need to enable billing on that account. Google usually offers free trial credits, which are enough to test and build small projects. There are no automatic charges if you stay within the free limits, but it is still important to monitor usage. Once your account is ready, you can access the Google Cloud Console and open Vertex AI from the main menu. When you open Vertex AI, you will see a dashboard on the left side. This area gives you access to different tools like the Model Garden, notebooks, pipelines, and Vertex AI Studio. The section we care about the most for building agents is the Agent Engine and the Agent Garden. These tools are designed specifically for creating and managing AI agents. The Agent Garden contains pre-built samples that show how different types of agents work. These are useful if you want to understand the structure of an agent or see what is possible. You do not have to use these samples directly, but they are helpful for learning. The Agent Engine is where you actually create and develop your own custom agents. To start building an agent, you go into the Agent Engine and choose the option to develop a new agent. This opens a setup flow that helps you define how your agent behaves. At this stage, you are not deploying anything yet. You are simply designing and testing your agent in a safe environment. One of the most important parts of building an agent is defining its instructions. These instructions tell the agent how it should behave, what it should focus on, and what kind of responses it should give. This is sometimes called system instructions or agent context. You write this in plain text, explaining what the agent is supposed to do. For example, you might explain that the agent should be helpful, polite, and focused on answering user questions clearly. You can also define boundaries so the agent avoids topics you do not want it to discuss. Vertex AI Agent Builder uses powerful language models such as Gemini. These models are already trained, so you do not need to train them from scratch. You simply choose which model you want to use. In most cases, the default selection works well, especially when you are just getting started. Later, you can experiment with different models if you need better performance or different behavior. On the right side of the interface, you will see configuration options for the model output. This includes the response style and output format. You can choose whether responses should be conversational, structured, or more direct. You also have control over how creative or strict the agent should be. This is managed using a setting called temperature. A lower temperature makes responses more factual and consistent. A higher temperature allows more creative and varied responses. For most support or information agents, a lower to medium temperature works best. Another important area is tools and grounding. Grounding allows the agent to use external information sources. You can enable grounding with Google Search, Google Maps, or your own data. Grounding with your own data is very powerful because it allows the agent to answer questions based on documents, files, or knowledge that you provide. This is useful if you want the agent to reflect your business rules, internal documents, or product information. To add your own data, you can create datasets inside Vertex AI. These datasets can include text files, documents, or other structured information. Once uploaded, you can connect them to your agent so it can reference this data when answering questions. This improves accuracy and keeps responses aligned with your content. Vertex AI Studio also includes prompt management tools. Prompt management helps you test different instructions and see how the agent responds. You can type sample user questions and review the responses in real time. If a response does not meet your expectations, you can adjust the instructions and test again. This process is very important because it helps you refine the agent before deploying it. As you test your agent, you can give feedback on the responses. You can mark responses as good or bad and make changes based on what you see. Over time, this helps you tune the agent so it behaves exactly how you want. You can also adjust limits, such as maximum response length and output tokens, to control how detailed the responses are. If you want to customize the agent further, you can explore advanced settings. These include region selection, stop sequences, and response limits. Region selection allows you to choose where the agent is hosted, which can matter for latency and compliance. Stop sequences allow you to control where responses end, which is useful for structured outputs. Once you are happy with how the agent behaves, you have several options. You can save the agent for later and continue refining it. You can also generate code that allows you to integrate the agent into your own applications. Vertex AI provides code snippets that developers can use directly. If you do not want to work with code, you can deploy the agent as an app directly from the interface. Deploying the agent means making it available for real users. During deployment, you choose the environment and confirm settings. After deployment, the agent becomes accessible through an endpoint that your website or application can connect to. At this point, your AI agent is live and ready to interact with users. Even after deployment, your work does not stop. You can continue to monitor and improve the agent. Vertex AI allows you to review interactions, identify issues, and update instructions. If users ask questions the agent struggles with, you can refine the prompts or add more data. This continuous improvement process is key to maintaining a high-quality experience. Vertex AI also supports tuning and distillation. Tuning allows you to adapt foundation models to specific tasks or domains. This is more advanced and may cost more, but it can significantly improve results when you have specialized requirements. For many use cases, prompt-based customization is enough, but tuning is available if you need deeper control. As you continue exploring Vertex AI, take time to review pricing details. Usage is based on model calls, tokens, and additional services like grounding and tuning. Keeping track of usage helps avoid unexpected costs. Google Cloud provides tools to monitor and limit spending, which is useful when scaling up. If you want to change anything about your agent later, you can always go back into the agent engine, edit the instructions, adjust settings, or update data sources. You are not locked into your first version. Iteration is expected, and the platform is built to support ongoing updates. This approach makes Vertex AI Agent Builder a flexible and beginner-friendly solution for building AI agents. You can start simple, test ideas, and gradually add more features as you gain confidence. Whether you are building internal tools or user-facing assistants, the workflow remains mostly the same. If you want to enhance your agent further, review its behavior, or change its purpose, the tools are already there for you to do that. Keep refining and focus on creating agents that provide real value to users. Thanks for watching.